Today I'm back with another new recipe, that is crispy breadsticks. So friends, before we begin, I would like to tell you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. Now let's start making crispy breadsticks.
So to make the crispy breadsticks, we first require cabbage, capsicum, carrot and cauliflower. These are finely chopped. Here I have half cup of corn flour, half cup of all-purpose flour, salt to taste, little bit of red food coloring. This is red orange color. Here I have 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And now in another bowl, we'll first add in all the vegetables. Here I'm adding cabbage, cauliflower, carrot and capsicum. Now we'll mix all the vegetables well. Now we'll add salt to taste and mix it well. Now to this mixture we'll add in ginger garlic paste, just mix them all really well, and then we'll add in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 4 tablespoons of corn flour. We'll first add in just this much of flour, and then if we require we can add more. Now mix it well. And now we'll add a pinch of red food coloring. Now we'll start kneading it and make it a soft dough. So friends, here my dough is ready. It's nice and soft. We just required 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour and corn flour, and my dough was ready. So here I have some bread slices. Now we'll spread the dough evenly on all the slices. Here I have the mixture. Take a big scoop of the mixture and then spread it evenly on all sides of the bread. So friends, here one of the bread slices is ready. Similarly, we'll do it on all the bread slices. So friends, here I've spread the dough on all the bread slices, and here I have some sesame seeds. Now we'll sprinkle them on each bread. And just tap it so that it gets fixed on the bread evenly. Similarly, we do it on all the breads. Now we'll apply a bit of oil on the pan just to make sure that it doesn't stick to the pan. We are toasting it just to make sure that the mixture sticks to the bread well, and we just want to half cook it so that after it is half cooked we'll deep fry it. So friends, as I told you, I've just half cooked it and I'm taking it off the pan. So friends, similarly we half cook all the bread slices. Now we'll cut the bread slices into bread sticks with a pizza cutter. You can even use knife. Now similarly we'll cut all the bread slices. So friends, here I'm done cutting all the bread slices. Now we'll deep fry it. Now here in another pan I have oil for deep frying the breadsticks. As soon as the oil is nice and hot, we'll add in the breadsticks and deep fry them until they are nice and crispy golden brown in color. So friends, here I am done deep frying those breadsticks. You can see they are nice and golden brown in color. Now we'll take them off in another plate. So friends, similarly we'll deep fry all the breadsticks. So friends, here your crispy breadsticks are ready. Now we'll serve them. So friends, here I have served the breadsticks with Szechuan sauce. You can even serve it with chili sauce if you want. In my previous videos I've shown how to make Szechuan sauce, so the link is given down below. So friends, here I'm showing you how crispy these breadsticks are. Friends, this recipe is really very tasty. Do try this recipe at home.
So friends, if you like this recipe, make sure you hit the like button and do share it with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please make sure you subscribe and do hit the notification bell for more amazing and new recipes. Thanks for watching.